Welcome to Brownlows, new day, new edition, just come into stock. Fiat Ducato Multijet 130 maximum 12-seater minibus with Motability access, 10995, turbo diesel, no VAT. Could make a great camper van if you wish to, if you want to take the seats out, or use it as a minibus, as what it's for. Come and see David. Brownlow Cars comes with a 3-month warranty as standard, 12 months MOT with no advisories. Where do you get them? Inside the Fiat minibus we have 3 seats up the front. Like I say, it's 12 seats in total with Motability ramp access at the rear, 10995. The car comes with a 6-speed manual gearbox, loads of storage in this as well. Like I say, it's on 92,000 miles, comes with 12 months MOT with no advisories, 3-month warranty as standard. We've just started our autumn sale. All the cars have been reduced. Come and see David. Brownlow Cars. Where do you get them?
Brownlow Cars, we believe everyone deserves a chance to drive the dream car. With our hassle-free finance options, bad credit is no problem. The zero deposit finance is available.
We have an amazing selection of cars and commercial vehicles, and every vehicle has our own 3 months warranty and 12 months AA breakdown cover. Visit us today.
351 Haughton Road, Darlington, DL1 2BP. Brownlow Cars, the name you can trust.